I never believed the rumors, until today. A Ferrari SF90 Stradale, abandoned deep in this forest. How did a $2.5 million machine end up like this? Its hybrid heart is silent, but the story behind this wreck is louder than ever. The interior looks like nature tried to take it back completely. No supercar deserves a burial like this, especially not an SF90. Nature didn't just claim it, it wrapped around it like a trophy.
Even the prancing horse looks defeated. That's how long it's been here.
But if this car survived long enough to be found, maybe it deserves one more chance.
Pulling it out won't be easy, but saving history never is. For the first time in years, the SF90 sees sunlight again.
This is where its resurrection begins. Welcome to the next chapter, Rust Reborn.